start with a surprising fact about AI's rapid development, or pose an intriguing question about the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence. Many naysayers and folks who simply don't understand the tech are full of doom and gloom when it comes to AI. It's taking our jobs, it's going to kill us all, and many more. Proponents typically go the other direction. It's going to make our lives easier, it's the future, and it can save the world. There are plenty of examples and evidence that both sides use to push their agendas. But the reality is that it's going to do a bit of everything. Another reality is that no one knows the long-term impact on society. No one is a fortune teller, at least not a real one. The fact is that AI is not a futuristic concept, but a present-day reality that's reshaping industries and redefining how businesses operate. From automating routine tasks to providing unparalleled customer experiences, AI is at the forefront of innovation. The team of Crunchbase Company, leading the charge in multiple facets of the AI market, agreed to answer a few questions and help separate fiction from reality. One of the most pressing concerns about AI is its potential to displace jobs. Routine tasks that once required human intervention are increasingly being automated. For instance, factories use robots to assemble products, and customer service departments employ chatbots to handle common queries. This shift raises questions about the future of work and the roles humans will play. Tory Green, CEO of Crunchbase Company, said, "While AI will automate many routine tasks, leading to the displacement of certain roles, it will also create new opportunities in fields like data science, machine learning, and AI development. As companies adopt AI, there will be a growing demand for professionals who can build, maintain, and optimize these systems." This shift necessitates reskilling and upskilling, particularly in sectors like healthcare, education, and logistics, where AI augments human capabilities rather than replacing them. If someone worries about losing their job to AI, reskilling can help them prepare for the future. Training programs and educational initiatives are essential for equipping the current workforce with new skills. AI's role in customer engagement and satisfaction. AI has revolutionized customer engagement by providing personalized, efficient, and scalable solutions. In retail, AI-powered recommendation systems analyze customer behavior to offer tailored product suggestions. This not only increases sales, but also enhances customer satisfaction. Many think AI will have a permanent stint in the predictive analytics department. By analyzing historical data, AI can anticipate customer needs and preferences, allowing businesses to offer solutions before customers even ask. The approach can potentially build stronger relationships and drive long-term customer loyalty. Ethical and societal implications. The ethical implications of AI are a hot topic, particularly concerning job displacement and data privacy. AI has the potential to drive advancements in healthcare, education, and public services, improving overall quality of life. Automation can enhance productivity, reduce human error, and create new economic opportunities, said Green. However, there are concerns about job displacement, particularly in industries heavily reliant on routine tasks. In the long term, AI's societal impact will largely depend on how we manage challenges by deploying AI responsibly and inclusively. Balancing innovation with ethical considerations is key to responsible AI deployment. Companies must adopt transparent practices and involve multiple stakeholders, including ethicists, in their AI projects. This approach provides a checks and balances system to keep AI tech innovative and ethically sound. Realistically, here's what comes next. Looking ahead, AI is expected to create more jobs than it displaces, particularly in emerging technologies and creative industries. The keys are to get a company involved early and to use the tech wisely from the start. Green added, "Early adopters of AI will gain a competitive edge by automating processes, improving decision-making, and delivering personalized customer experiences at scale. This will lead to faster innovation cycles, improved efficiency, and lower operational costs. In customer engagement, AI will continue to enable personalized, timely, and efficient interactions. Companies that leverage AI for customer insights and predictive analytics will be better positioned to meet evolving customer needs." For businesses and individuals, preparing for an AI-driven future involves continuous learning and adaptation. Organizations should invest in AI training programs and foster a culture of innovation. Prepare for an AI-driven future. The future of AI holds immense potential to transform business and society, but it comes with its own set of challenges and responsibilities. While AI will undoubtedly streamline operations, create new job opportunities, and enhance customer experiences, it poses ethical considerations and the potential for job displacement. The trick to harnessing the power of AI lies in proactive adaptation, continual learning, and ethical deployment. Stakeholders must collaborate to ensure that AI innovations benefit society as a whole, establishing inclusivity and transparency. By preparing for the shift today, both businesses and the workforce can position themselves to thrive in an AI-driven future.